right. But as I pondered on that, I realized, no, that's exactly what's more important than learning how to forgive.
I love you.
Love you.
I love you more.
Love you more.
I love you more.
Love you more.
I love you more.
Love you more. I love you double, double.
I
love you double.
double. I love you more.
Double.
Double.
He
I love you most.
likes triple. He
Triple.
likes triple.
I love you more.
I am more.
I love you most.
I love you triple, triple, triple.
I love you infinity.
I love you infinite and beyond.
I love you forever.
I love you forever, even if I die.
I love you forever, even if you and both of us die.
I love you forever. I love you like a flower.
Does
A
a flower?
humongous flower.
Do flowers love a lot? I love you like the flowers love rain.
I love you like rainbows love rain and sun and air.
What? You're a smart one. Blankets.
What? It's it.
And
But this is
you
yours.
guys want a blanket?
This is yours though.
Yeah, I made it.
We already
for you,
told
but
them.
look at that one. How nice. Do you like that?
No, so you're right. Wait.
So yeah.
This one out. This blanket's my favorite. Here, you take the sack off.
1, 2, 3.
What do you think about it? What do you think about that blanket? This is Grandma's new baby.
Is it so cute?
Mama.
What do you think, Capri?
It's cute.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I wish it would just stay that little forever. I'm obsessed.
And guess what it will be?
She is the
It's
best.
going to be big, and it will go
Let me
from
pull
a
her shirt
big-
off. I kept.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi.